For tomorrow, we have Jackson, Mississippi, Memphis, and New Orleans, all under the threat for torcons. For Jackson and Memphis, we're on a torcon of 4, and New Orleans, we're seeing a torcon of 3. And again, that's within a 50-mile radius where you have a 30 or 40% chance of seeing a tornado. We have all the right ingredients in place for tomorrow to get some severe weather. We have a lot of warm, low-level moisture. We have warm air already in place right now. And as that low-pressure system continues to track east, behind that, we're going to see that threat for severe weather. So here we go for tomorrow. We see that severe threat in the red shades right here, New Orleans, all the way up to St. Louis, Indianapolis, all the way down to Mobile. We're seeing that major severe threat. That's the best chance for seeing a tornado. We can also expect some spotty hail, some very gusty winds, especially extended out in that orange thunderstorm threat. For Birmingham, here's a closer look at you. We stay very calm and quiet for Wednesday night. Thursday evening, that's when we're starting to see those thunderstorms really pop up, and it continues into Thursday night before clearing out for Friday. And so you have about 24 hours where you will see that threat of thunderstorms continue. Looking at the future radar, starting late tonight into early tomorrow morning, we see Little Rock, Alexandria heading towards Memphis by 3 a.m. Now, once we get into early tomorrow morning and midday tomorrow, we're seeing that threat push even further east now into Birmingham, reaching Pensacola, and it continues to sweep further east as we get into Friday. Talking about Friday. Here we go. This is the potential impacts that we have for the severe threat extending right along the immediate coast, all the way from Norfolk, all the way down to Jacksonville and Tampa. You're also in that severe threat. And with that comes a torcon. We do have a torcon of 3 across southeastern Virginia and eastern North Carolina, and that's where you do have a 30% chance of seeing a tornado within 50 miles. Here's a closer look at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Stay calm for the early half of Thursday, and then those storms really push through. Thursday night into Friday, that's when you can expect that best chance of the thunderstorms, and so you do need to make sure you have a plan in place because these are going to be packing in gusty winds, large hail, and again, we cannot rule out a tornado or 2. Chris?